I do a lot of studies on ancestral sound artifacts, especially from the Andean region, and most of the instruments that I study, they're made out of clay and ceramics. But I've been wanting to explore ceramics. How can I use that to make my own instruments? We learn about the material, right? How to handle it, how to model it, how to dry it, how to color it as well. I really like how international the students are from different age, different places. It kind of gets very rich and very interesting. So the teaching style is very hands-on, very creative approach as well. I really enjoyed the teacher who answered all of my questions and allow us to explore through our own practice the methods and skills that are being taught within the course. If you want to start on ceramics, if you're a little bit scared about the material, coming to the course, you can do your own stuff, you'll get guidance, you can kind of start that kind of area of your practice, or you can complement the practice that you have.